Deriving equation for an isothermal work. From the diagram, the changes in volume and pressure from state 1 to state 2, and therefore the work done from state 1 to state 2 will be equal to the integration of pressure and the change in volume. But PV is equal to P1V1 equal to a constant. Therefore, P will be equal to P1V1 over V. And therefore, replacing into the work equation from state 1 to state 2, then the integration will be the P1V1 over V, then dV. And since P1V1 is a constant, won't be integrated, it will be outside the integration sign, and will remain with 1 over V dV. And we'll have to introduce the natural logs, where we have P1V1, then the natural log of the volume from state 1 to state 2, which comes to be P1V1, the natural log of V2 minus V1, which can be written as P1V1 natural log of V2 over V1.